You want to say some words?
No.
Tetra, please, please, please. I don't have a video this week, and I just got back into it, and I want people to know that I'm still making videos, but I just can't do it this week because I have family stuff. Please. Is that a yeah?
Fine, I do it.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Kate. Why do I have same voice as last cat? Don't worry about it. It's not important. Don't touch me.
What you doing?
There's something under here I need to get.
There's nothing under there.
No, I need to get.
I can promise you right now, there's absolutely nothing under that desk.
No, I need to get. Don't touch me. I need to get. Ah! It turns out there was nothing under the desk.
What did I freaking tell you?
Why I should just... Mlem.
Okay.
The Nito Mlem was too strong.
Oh, well, thanks.
What did I say? Don't touch me!